Hey guys, welcome back, where we help you level up your gaming experience without breaking the bank. Today, we've got something special for you, the ultimate guide to building the best budget gaming PC. And if you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, you're in the right place. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things gaming. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CyberPower Gamer Extreme i7. We rate the CyberPower Gamer Extreme i7 as the best budget gaming PC since it outperforms every other low-cost to mid-range PC thanks to its powerful processor and graphics card. Besides its impressive performance, it arrives in an aesthetically pleasing Onyxia 2 gaming case with a tempered glass window and exceptional airflow. The first thing you'll notice when you unpack this gaming PC is how professionally it handles cable management. That means no cables are dangling inside the case, ensuring maximum airflow and easy access for tinkering. It also gives you a clear view of its beautiful RGB configuration, which you can dim, brighten, and turn on and off using a remote. It offers an impressive selection of components for its price, including the powerful but budget-friendly RTX 3060 GPU. Combined with the Intel Core i7 to 12,700 Fahrenheit, it lets you run some of the most demanding games without issues, including titles like Cyberpunk 2077, The Witcher 3 with next-gen graphics, and Hogwarts Legacy. Number 2. Skytech Azure Gaming i5. The Skytech Azure Gaming i5 is capable of running popular titles, such as Overwatch 2, Call of Duty Warzone, and Elden Ring at 60+ frames per second on 1440p QHD monitors, making it the best gaming PC under $1,000. In addition, it offers exceptional service, thanks to its 80+ 650W gold-rated power supply unit. An 80+ gold rating means your computer will draw less power from the wall, resulting in a slightly smaller energy bill and less heat in your PC case. Although its processor is one generation older than the one included with our top pick, this model offers the same RTX 3060 graphics card. That means you'll have access to NVIDIA's DLSS technology that can boost your FPS by more than 50%. Even with the most popular titles. With that kind of power, you'll also have an easy time streaming without lag or drops in quality. In addition, the Skytech Azure Gaming i5 is well-rounded for content creation, meaning professionals can use this budget computer to edit photos and videos without issues. However, it comes with only 500 GB of storage, which may not be enough for some gamers, especially since modern games can take up more than 100 GB each. Thankfully, its mid-tower in Win103 case has space for additional storage drives. The Skytech Azure Gaming i5 is a great gaming PC pick for users with their own gaming desks and multi-monitor setups, as its mid-tower doesn't take up much space, and the RTX 3060 offers 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port for monitors. Number 3. CyberPower Gamer Extreme i5. The CyberPower Gamer Extreme i5 is an entry-level solution for virtual reality VR gaming, and its excellent combination of a 12th Gen Intel Core processor and 16 GB of RAM allows you to perform other resource-intensive tasks, including video and photo editing and gaming. It arrives with an RGB mouse with 7 color profiles, which complements its beautiful RGB case. You'll also get a keyboard, and although it's not the best gaming keyboard out there, it's definitely a good stand-in. Although there are some downgrades in comparison to our top pick, such as an i5 processor instead of an i7 and an RTX 3050 instead of an RTX 3060. This budget gaming PC can still run games like GTA V on ultra settings and deliver more than 100 FPS. The CyberPower Gamer Extreme i5 is an ideal budget PC for beginners, as its out-of-the-box setup requires no changes. That means you won't have to adjust its fans or cables, as their placement provides superb airflow that keeps the components at low temperatures, even in intense gaming sessions. What we like about its configuration is how future-proof it is. You have enough room to add several storage drives if 500 GB isn't enough for you, and its NR640 case allows you to place up to 3 more fans or a water cooling solution if you upgrade your system in the future. Number 4. Skytech Archangel. The Skytech Archangel is an ideal pre-built gaming PC for users who prefer to play on 1080p monitors, and you can expect flawless performance in most FPS, MOBA, and RPG games, including Red Dead Redemption 2, Cyberpunk 2077, Warzone, and others. In addition, if you are willing to turn the settings down to medium and high instead of ultra, its GTX 1660 Super and AMD Ryzen 5 3600 will also perform well on 1440p resolution. This model arrives in a premium-looking white case with a tempered glass panel that works on a hinge and magnet system. That means you won't have trouble accessing its interior to clean or upgrade its components. While it has decent cable management, we prefer how CyberPower organizes the cables inside their cases, as this model has its hard disk bays blocked by the cables. That means you'll have to reorganize them if you want more storage than the 500 GB it offers by default. The Skytech Archangel comes with 16 GB of RAM that runs at 3 MHz, which, in combination with its high-speed SSD storage, allows you to start up your computer and launch games at excellent speeds. It also helps with multitasking, something professionals and freelancers will appreciate. This budget PC is set up for Wi-Fi 5 and comes with the newest Windows 11 OS pre-installed. Number 5. iBuyPower Slatimer. The iBuyPower Slatimer is an excellent entry-level gaming PC for esports titles and popular RPGs. Thanks to its Intel Core i5 to 12400 Fahrenheit CPU and GTX 1650 GPU, you can expect reliable 1080p gaming performance and consistent 60+ FPS even on resource-heavy AA titles. Just like the Acer Nitro 50. This gaming PC only has 8 GB of RAM and 500 GB of storage, and both models offer the same CPU and GPU. However, this model offers far better case RGB with beautiful tempered glass panels on the front and a tempered glass side window. In addition, it arrives with a gaming keyboard and an RGB gaming mouse, which justify its higher price. While the iBuyPower Slatimer is an excellent choice for a full RGB gaming PC setup under $1,000, the Acer Nitro 50 costs $100 less, which leaves you with enough money to upgrade its RAM and storage. Besides its good looks, the case included with iBuyPower Slatimer offers 6 USB 3.1 ports, allowing you to connect all your peripherals and transfer files at high speeds. Our top 5 picks ultimate budget gaming PC build. We've proven that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy high-quality gaming. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check the link in the description below. I mentioned each product. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.